friends, I'm so happy to see you. How are you? I hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's a very special day today. We've talked a lot about special days, but especially for some people in the world that are celebrating today. Today is Memorial Day in the United States of America. So we're going to talk a little bit about that as well as introducing our new letter sounds. So the moment some of you may be on holiday, a different sort of holiday, you may be at home, but maybe you don't have to work today, which is wonderful. Arabella is here to join us for Circle 2, so you may hear her in the background. First of all, let's welcome in a new week. Let's welcome in the day together. You ready? The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy thumb is up and Tommy thumb is down. Tommy thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head. Dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Arabella. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Yes, muy bien, gracias. Y usted? Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Y usted? But what day is it today? Yes, it is the first day of the week. I think Arabella's trying to tell us that today is Monday. Today is Monday. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Today is Monday, May 25th. Hoy es el lunes, el 25 de mayo. Now I forgot what it was there. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Sunny, sunny, sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy windy? Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What is the weather like with you today? I don't know if you can hear it, but there is some rain falling on my roof, on our sunroom out there. Can you hear it? So I'm going to sing about the rain, but you sing about what the weather is like with you, and we'll meet at the end. Ready? I know a day just like today, and rainy was the weather. R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy was the weather. My friends, we have a new letter sound this week, and because today in the United States of America is a holiday, our new letter sound is, this is the letter H and the sound is, will you trace it with me? Heart. Let's read a book about little H and all of the things that he put into his sound box. First I will read the page and then I will turn it around and show you the pictures. Little H had a box. I will find things that begin with my H sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. He found some hats. Do you have a hat? Me too. He put his hat on his head. Did he put the other hats into his box? He did. Little H found a hen. Hello, he said. I need a hen for my sound box. He put the hen into his box with his hats. I wonder what else he'll find. Then he found a hog. Did he put the hog into his box with his hen and his hats? He did. Little found a horse. He was happy. He hopped onto the horse. I thought for a moment he was going to put the horse in his box. He rode the horse up a high hill. I want to go higher, said Little H, but the horse could not go higher. They were on top of the hill. So Little H put the horse into his box with the hats, the hen and the hog. He did put him in the box after all. That must be a big box. Then he found a helicopter. Now I can go very high, he said, higher than a hill. The helicopter went so high that the hen, the hog and the horse cried, help, help. So Little H put the helicopter into the box. They must have been scared. Now the box was heavy. Little H put it on his head. He did not see the hole. He hopped into the hole. Help, help. Oh no. How can we get out of this hole? Asked the hen, the hog and the horse. Happily, Little H happened to have a horn. I will blow my horn, he said. Doo, 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 doo. He blew the horn. A hippopotamus heard the horn. He helped them out of the hole. Hurrah for the hippo! Everyone shouted happily. The hippo saved them. How can I thank you for helping us out of the hole? Asked Little H. You can take me for a ride in your helicopter, said the hippopotamus. So Little H took the helicopter out of the box and he and all of the animals went for a ride. I hope they had so much fun. Shall we have a look and see what we have in our sound box? Ready? Abre tierra, abre tierra, abre la cajita, abre tierra, abre tierra, ¿qué hay en la cajita? ¿Qué hay en la cajita? What is in the little box? Wow, well this is a very big thing to put in a little box. It's a house. Is that your home? No, that's a drawing, but that's a house. Not a real one, but a picture of one. House. hippopotamus, but hippo for short. A heart. A heart. Oh, and I constantly need new ones of these because I lose them. A hair tie. A hair bobble or a hair tie. Now I have one extra thing I admit that didn't quite fit into my box, but we could pretend he did. A horse. A horse. My friends, I hope you have so much fun today looking around your house or looking outside to make your own sound box, or you could draw pictures of all the sounds you see. And if you're at that point and you're enjoying writing, why not write them down and try and spell all the words? And if you're feeling super energetic and super excited about your writing, why not make up some stories like our story of Little and see what your little collects in his or her sound box. I can't wait to hear about it. Now, to finish off today, friends, we are going to celebrate and remember. So as I told you, today is actually a very special day to a lot of people in America because today is Memorial Day. Memorial Day is a national holiday in the United States. Now, a lot of Americans will celebrate Memorial Day that live all around the world. And also the rest of the world has a celebration day too, but it's not necessarily on the same day as today. So it's a day where we remember those who died serving the country. So people who went off to fight in the war. Now, originally Memorial Day started a long time ago and during the times of the Civil War. It wasn't called Memorial Day then, but people wanted to start having a day where they remembered those members of family or those friends that they had lost at the time that were fighting for their beliefs and fighting for their country. And it wasn't until after World War II that it became Memorial Day. Memorial Day became the official name for the day so that we could officially remember all of those people who fought in not just the Civil War, but in every single war that came after that. And it's really sad to think that there were so many wars and fights after that, but this is where we are today, and this is how the world became the world that we live in today. So today is a very special day, and at 3 p.m. in American time, so in my time that would be 3 p.m. EST, we can watch a memorial service. And there are also lots of parades going on around the country. People generally wear red, white and blue, the colours of the flags to celebrate. So if you are with your family today, if you're able to be with your family, I know that it's a tricky time, it's a difficult time at the moment for seeing different people, but if you are able to be with family members, or you can have your Zoom meetings with them, or you can Skype with them, then I hope you have a wonderful celebration. And for the rest of the world, I hope we can also take this time just remembering those that have fought for our own countries. And I would like to just take a minute for our breathing exercise, just to be very still and just to remember all of those people in our lives. So let's put our shoulders up and down in our back pockets. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now, for many people and for many businesses, this marks the beginning of the summertime. I know that the nights here are they're most certainly getting lighter, and maybe they are where you are if it's coming up to summertime, but I know in Australia it's coming into the winter time. But this is kind of our official mark for some businesses for the beginning of summertime. I hope that you have a wonderful day enjoying it, whether you are with family and friends or whether you are at home. Just remember those people that are very special to you. A time of remembering doesn't just have to be those people that you've lost to. Remember those that are around you, the people that are present with you right now, and I hope it makes and realizes that how appreciative you are of them, because it definitely does for me. I hope you will join me tomorrow. We have a fun art project and I can't wait to see you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.